Wait, is there
Oh,
is
wait.
there text there that says example that is not there if you don't highlight it in the like
No.
black area?
Oh yeah, this is back. You're right. You didn't notice that.
I saw that for a split second and I was like, what the hell?
I didn't even notice that. You noticed that, like something, like a hidden.
Yeah, I saw the text completely disappear and I was like, what?
What? No, seriously, it's like it's welcome to the game. It's like, where's the hidden code? Oh, there it is.
There's hidden
There
text.
it is. Damn. Hold on a second.
That's like this is a higher level secret.
Mm-hmm. We found the Easter egg. It's called example. Nice. Yeah, you're very observant. More observant than me. Like, I would miss one of these things if you didn't point them out. I'm just sad that it just says example. It's not like some secret code or like bank account number for me. Nope, just